When using chemical products for home care, automobiles, pest control, or other purposes, there may be product left over. The remaining unwanted product becomes household hazardous waste, which may be harmful to people and the environment if mishandled. There are free drop-off sites in Ramsey County and other counties to help dispose of these materials properly and safely. To identify household products that are hazardous, check the label for any of these words: caution, warning, danger, or poison. Unless the container is empty, products with these words do not belong in the trash. Carefully load them in the trunk of your car and take them to a Ramsey County drop-off site. It's free. Collection staff are there to help, so you do not need to get out of your car. Just present them with your driver's license and open the trunk, and staff will handle the household hazardous waste. You'll be on your way in no time. Come back again whenever your household chemical products become household hazardous waste.
For more information, call 651-633-EASY. That's 3279, anytime 24/7. Interpretive services are available. Or go online at ramseyrecycles.com.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how you doing, sir?
Doing good.